Former US President Donald Trump dismissed the idea of selecting Indian American presidential candidate Nikki Haley as a running mate, stating she is not of presidential caliber. Trump, the dominant frontrunner for the Republican nomination, expressed his opinion at a rally in Concord, asserting that certain comments take someone out of contention for the vice presidency. Nikki Haley, Trump's sole rival in New Hampshire polls, had earlier confirmed that being vice president is off the table. While some Republicans suggested Haley could balance Trump's weaknesses, others in his orbit believed it could lead to a revolt among his ardent supporters. Donald Trump quashed speculation about Nikki Haley as his running mate, asserting that she is not of presidential timber. Trump's remarks came at a rally in Concord where he stated that saying someone is not fit for the vice presidency takes them out of contention. Nikki Haley, a former UN ambassador and Trump's close rival in New Hampshire polls, had previously declined to comment specifically on the vice presidential role but recently confirmed it was off the table. Haley's rising momentum in the Republican race fueled speculation about her as a potential running mate for Trump. Despite some Republicans suggesting she would balance out Trump's weaknesses, critics within Trump's orbit, including Republican Marjorie Taylor Greene and Donald Trump Jr., believed such a choice would lead to a revolt among Trump's staunch supporters. Trump has consistently attacked Haley in recent weeks, including sharing a false birther conspiracy. Despite the speculation, sources close to Trump downplayed the idea that he seriously considered Haley for the role. Born Nimrata Nikki Randhawa to Punjabi Sikh immigrant parents, Haley is the two-term governor of South Carolina. Trump, at 77, maintains a lead of just over 10% over Haley, according to recent polling averages. The former president's remarks and Haley's definitive statement seem to have put an end to speculations about her potential vice presidential candidacy in Trump's camp.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.